Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Winda Nurdiyanti, and I will explain about how to teach speaking English from young learner. The first, make sure the children have a reason for speaking English. For example, they need to talk to their partner to complete a picture or to find information in order to make a graph. Think about the question you ask in the class. If you ask, is this the pencil? Children can only respond either yes or no. And of course, you already know it is a pencil, so the question isn't real. If you hide the pencil in the bag and ask, what is the bag? This is now a fun game, and learners are motivated to answer you with a range of language. In order for students to be able to master English pronunciation, the teacher must provide active speaking in the classroom. Whole class speaking activity. You can use change or song to give the whole class independently to listen and repeat the sound, rhythm, and intonation they hear. And you can ask learn to join with just part of the song or change at first and then gradually build up to the whole thing. Here's an example of how to do this with a tongue twister. What is tongue twister? Tongue twister is a phrase that is designed to be difficult to articulate properly and can be used as a type spoken word game. Additionally, they can be used as exercise to improve pronunciation and fluency. Play or say tongue twister that tell you learn that day. Are you going to repeat the sentence bit by bit after you? Start by asking your learn to repeat the last part of the sentence and build up to full tongue twister like this. And for example, big black bug, blue bluebird, bye, fresh fried fish, and kitten in the kitchen. And next about speaking in small group or pairs. Children, include very young learners, can work in pairs or small group to maximize their speaking time in class. When learners work in pairs or small group, the teacher is able to monitor, move around the class, and really listen to the language being produced. After doing a whole class activity with the tongue twister above, you could have learned work in the pairs to take turns repeating the tongue twister as fast as possible without mistake. This isn't easy, of course, and you could demonstrate this to the class by trying to say it quickly and correctly yourself. Get to learn to count how many consecutive error-free phrases you can say. You can give learn a spot the different information gap activity to the in pairs. Give each learn a picture. The picture shall be almost the same with 2 or 3 elementary missing from each picture. Without show each other the picture, they should describe the picture to each other and try to find which objects are missing. They will practice color, profession of place and adjectives such as big and small. They can compare the picture when they have finished. Ask children to sit back to back and image they are having the telephone conversation. They can practice telephone language or just simple exchange based on your current class topic that aren't connected to the telephone itself. Sitting back to back make this more fun. interesting and help children really concentrate on listen to their partner. Children can play a board game in small group. Before they start, you can practice game language such this my turn and through the dice. As a wild class, if you want to practice specific language point, you can write question the square on the board. When a player lands and square with a question, they have to answer the question. Okay, try to use English as much as possible from communication in the classroom from day one to give learners the chance to speak English with you and with their classmates. Demonstrate your instruction as you say them in English and your learn will sound. Understand, sit down, put your pencil on the table, hands up, and teach learn to use expression like can I have, I have finished, can I go to the toilet at the first of the course so that they have the language to speak to you in English in the classroom. Pressure learn when they try to use English and keep reminding them to use English whenever possible in class. Okay, thank you for your attention. I wish this video make better to learn speaking English in the classroom. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.